students. So today we will see that how we will fill up the CUET 2025 PG form, okay, for ECO. So first of all, before filling up the application form, you have to register, okay. So this is your NTA website, okay. So where you have to just go, and in the left hand side, see, there is written new candidate registered here. So you have to click here. Okay, click here to proceed. So here all the details you will get, like instructions and procedure for online submission of application form. So you have to read here that if you are from general category, you have to pay the application fee of 1400. Okay. For if you are from OBC, then you have to pay 1200. Like this, you have to read all the details. And after that, we will be going to step-by-step process. So we will click here to proceed. Okay. First of all, we have to I have downloaded the information bulletin. You have to click it. Okay. And then we will proceed. Click here to proceed. Fine. So we have to give our Aadhaar number, or we can also give our bank details or any passport ID or a PAN card. So whatever you have to give that. Okay. So I'm sending here PAN card details. I have given the PAN card details and we have to click here to proceed. Now the step is candidate's name. So you have to write the name, your father's name, your mother's name. Now you have to give your date of birth, gender, you have to select nationality, identity type. That is, what is your identity, that which document you have registered. So I have given your PAN card. If you give passport, then you have to select passport. So I am giving passport number. Premises means where you are currently staying. Okay. Locality, country. I am selecting your country. Okay. Then state, then district, then your PIN code, then email address where you will get the details, your application, your registration number, where you will be given, and with that registration number, you have to fill up the application forms. Okay. So I am giving my email ID, country code, my number. Okay. Then same as permanent address. Okay, so I will take here. If your address didn't change, so what you have given the present address, that will be same go for permanent address. Okay. Now you have to choose your password with which you have to log in to fill up the application form. You have to note this down very carefully so that you never forget your password. See here, it is, once you will check, I'm just showing you again. One letter will be in the caps form. Okay. So one letter should be in caps. So I am just showing you. I am giving this password. Okay. Again, you have to reconfirm the password. Security question. So you can select any of the question. So I am selecting what is your birth city. Okay. And the security answer. Now you have to be very careful while entering the capture details. Okay. So 528090. Submit. See, so the registration is complete. So if you want to change anything, you have to click in the edit registration form. So while fill up the registration form, you have to be very careful. Okay. So now you have to kindly verify all the particulars below carefully and ensure you have filled correct information. No change will be permitted once the registration form is submitted at any later stage of the examination. Okay. So you have to click all the details that you have rightly filled it up. No edit is required. Okay. So I am just ticking it down, and personal details, my present address, my permanent address are all okay. Okay. Then I have to click here. I agree. Fine. I agree. Then I have to submit and send OTP. Yes. So email OTP. So you will get the OTP in your email. Yes. See, it has come. So email verification. So 4080 is the OTP. Okay, so I'm entering 4080. 9. So here you have to enter the captcha 9805812. Okay, then verify. Okay, your registration has been verified. Your application number has been sent to your email address. Please log into the application portal using your application number and password to complete your application. Okay, please check if it comes also to your junk or spam folder in the email. So what you have to do, you have to open your email now. Okay, so just check your email once. See, it has come. Registration confirmation. Okay. So my application number is this 25351001761. So what I have to do, I have to copy it and paste it. Okay, so here we are keeping the password, the security pin 0736138. Okay, so here the registration form is complete. Now we have to do you have to fill the application form. Okay, so here we will go to this yellow box, that is complete application form. Okay, so what you have to write here, you have to write your premises where you're staying currently. State is West Bengal. It is selected. You can select anywhere where you are now currently locating. Okay, pin code, you can also check where you are currently locating now. Okay, so I am just keeping it 70066. Okay, and now locality, you can change the locality. You have to fill the locality, and then you have to fill up the district, your mobile number. Now we are coming to same as present address. Okay, if your present address change, then you have to just change the present address. Otherwise you have to just stick here same as present address. Fine. Then again you have to enter the captcha, that is 7912159. Okay, so this is our first step, contact details. Okay, so here I agree and then save and next. Document saved successfully. Now here what you have to do, we have to just select our data, that is candidate's name. It has taken the same thing which we have done in our registration form, so that's why you don't have to fill it up again. So what you have given there, it will automatically take in the personal details. Okay, so your mother name, your father's name, your nationality is already there. You have to category your you have to confirm your category. If you're from general, then you have to click general, OBC, SC. So I'm clicking here general. Enter name of the authority, passport. Okay, got this category, general, identity type passport, medical board. Are you a PWD or PWBD candidate having a valid and live disability certificate issued by medical board of government? No, I'm selecting your annual income of the parents. Okay, now sometimes technical glitches happen, so if you are selecting the right option also, it might not take that thing. So it is due to this technical glitches, so you have to wait for some time. Sometimes mail can also come late, so accordingly you have to check, you have to wait for the mail, you have to wait for the OTP to come. Okay, then you have to just type here captcha. So this is very important, that is every time you have to retype the captcha, and also you have to retype I agree. Okay, so 798018. Again, I agree. Save and next. So, oh, you have to select this. Are you diabetic? No. Status of employment. If you're working somewhere, then you have to just click employed or else unemployed. So every question having this star, it is compulsory for all of you to fill up that. Okay. Then I agree. Save and next. Document saved successfully. Okay, then we are coming to the next category, that is other quota category. So do you belong to the poverty line? So you have to select that properly. Claim for sports quota, yes or no? So again we have to enter here captcha. Fine, I agree. Save and next. Okay, so here also you have to select it. So just check it. Until and unless you fill up all the things, you will be given here the red line. That is, you have not filled it up. And again, you have to fill it up and you have to go to 7 next. Okay. Okay, apply now. You're coming to the exam center details. Okay, so what will be your first choice, second choice of the examination center? So apply for CUET PG 2025. First choice for exam state. Here are many. So I am selecting here Meghalaya. Second option, you can choose Sikkim or Tripura, whatever you want, whatever is your desire. Third option, Manipur, Mizoram. Fourth option, Assam. Father's what is your father's educational qualification? Okay, so you have to just select it. I have selected your father graduate, mother graduate. Test paper. So here, what is the name of the paper? So our economics test paper ID is this one, that is COQ P10. So while selecting it, you have to be very careful that beside it will be written economics and this will be the economics ID. CUET PG Eco ID will be COQ P10. Okay. Then first choice for exam city, I am selecting Shillong. Second choice for exam city, like this way, you have to select it. Okay, so I am selecting here Manipur since it has been rejected. So Imphal. Okay, so it has taken that. So graduation. Okay, so what is your father's occupation? So business or architecture or law practice, whatever he is doing. So you have to select that. Mother, I am just taking here business. So again, you have to write the caption 8132894. I agree. 7 next. Okay. So here test paper is okay. It is up to this. I have selected all the right things and my whatever documents I have shared, whatever information I have shared is okay. So entirely I have to click here I agree, and again I have to type captcha 887767. Then I agree. Then 7 next. Okay. Now this is the most important page, your qualification detail. So course 10th or equivalent, you have passed the course, institute name like Calcutta. You have to school, you have to, I am written here Kashipur English. So whatever school you have studied, you have to write it. Result mode, whether it is in CGPA or in percentage, I am writing here CGPA. Okay. So year of passing, suppose year of passing is, I am writing here 2006. I'm clicking here. So whatever your year of passing will be, you have to select it. Board or university name. Okay. Your roll number. So what is the maximum grade you have obtained? So you have to write this. Obtained CGPA and CGPA percentage. Whatever you have obtained. That is maximum grade, your overall maximum grade, whatever percentage or whatever CGPA you have obtained, and you CGPA percentage. Okay. Then 12th qualification detail. Course 12th or equivalent. Again, your institute name. I am writing here Kashipur English. School. Now result mode, CGPA. You can also click here percentage. So whatever your school has given, accordingly you have to select that. So here it is 2008 I am selecting. Here I have selected 2006 or 2008. Then university name, this one, roll number. Okay. Again, you have to do here. Suppose you have 8.2, 7.7, 85%. Okay. Now graduation qualification detail. Passed, or if you're again appearing, then you have to select appearing. Okay. Course, BCom, BSc, BA, whatever you're doing. So you have to select that. So I'm taking here BSc. Institute name. Suppose you're from Jadavpur University, you're from Delhi University, you're from JNU, whatever you are. So you have to just click here. So I am writing here Calcutta University. Okay. Result mode, percentage. I'm clicking here. Year of passing. So you have to carefully do this. I am clicking here 2012. Board or university name. So you have to, whatever university are you now, you have to click there. I am clicking here Amity. Again, your roll number. Total marks, you have there total marks Like suppose 100, out of that you have obtained 80. So 80%, fine. Then captcha 0080778. Again, I agree. Save and next. Okay. Now we have come to last step. So here you have to upload a JPEG file. Minimum size is 10, maximum size is 200. So you have to be very carefully upload a JPEG file. So I'm choosing here a file. So just I'm choosing a photo. Okay. And then your digital signature. You have to put here digital signature. Okay. So I'm just putting one. So you have to just put a signature of yours. Okay. Then save and next. Save and next. Okay. Now here you will see before the final submission that the entire details, whatever we have filled up is here. Okay. So whatever now, if you have to edit anything, you can go back in this button back. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to verify your mobile number. Click here. 112938. Send OTP. So OTP will be coming to your phone. You have to check it. You have to wait for some time. It came. That is 1025. And you have to put the captcha here. 3349904. Okay. Verify OTP. So it's done. Now what you have to do, you have to make the final submit. So you have to click all the name, whatever you have filled up, and then you have to make the, okay, you have to click this, I agree, and then you have to make the final submission. Okay, so this too is complete. Registration and application form is complete. Now the last step is left, that is fee payment. So now pay now. So this is the final step, pay now. So you have to pay here. Once you will pay the fee amount, the mail will come to you that you have successfully submitted the application form. Do this like this way, like I said, and for more details, and if you face any problem, kindly contact us. One thing I just want you to know that in this year, the university options, that is whatever your preferred university, is not coming. That is in which university you would like to go. That is not coming in the drop down box, but it had came last year. So kindly wait. There might be some technical glitches this year. That's why it is not coming. So I would want to know you that I would want to suggest that kindly wait for some couple of days if it comes. Okay. And then you apply for that. Otherwise it is fine. Not a problem. You will get your mail that you have successfully fill up the application form. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.